Why do you kiss the ground that I walk on? I have to be killed. I'm so tired, Costume. If only I could rest. Rest. I'm a singer. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. Does that matter? So he's here then. He didn't believe in the theater. He laughed at my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing in myself. I lost heart. And always, the strains of love and jealousy and the fear of losing the child. I became trivial and commonplace. I acted without thinking or feeling. I lost control of my hands. I couldn't move. I couldn't control my voice. You can't imagine what it's like to know that you're acting badly. I'm a seeker. Do you remember? You shot a seagull and you placed it at my feet.
Amazing.
That was pretty good. You don't need to